Let's take a look at the electronics in this DNN Summit Saber that was produced for a giveaway prize for DNN Summit 2017. This .NET themed lightsaber has several features to it that are unique to it. We'll have another video where we talk about things such as the laser engraving and etching for the DNN logos and the color scheme. But let's take a look at the electronics here because there are some unique features that we'll need to explain. Just running through things while the sound and power are off. The power button is the top switch. The volume or sound on-off button is the bottom switch. The Saber and the electronics here are capable of running with just light and effects if you use the button to turn the sound off. When you turn it on, it always begins with sound on, and then you can press the button to turn sound off again. You can press the button to turn sound back on again. There is a kill switch. This button here acts, it is a trigger button, it acts as a kill switch so that you don't drain power on the Saber when you are moving around, because otherwise power is going through everything in the board and is draining while you're there. You are able to tap the Saber when it is on and the power is flowing. In other words, the kill switch is off, but the Saber is not turned on, and you're able to see a flash or a flicker of light, and that helps tell you that it is on. You simply then turn off your kill switch at that point and no power flows through afterwards. This Saber features a flicker type of effect through the electronics and light setup. There is a clash set of sounds, and then there is a change of color that comes here from the set of LEDs that are here we'll show in just a moment. Another thing to mention here is that we have 4 AAAs for the battery supply. This can be changed out for a rechargeable or other items like that, and you'll notice that everything in the electronics is connected with these quick connect clips. So they are all changeable and very easy to take apart, to take the Saber apart and then carefully put it back together again. Let's go ahead and turn this on here. I'm going to begin doing that by pressing that kill switch. You'll see that the light comes on for just a moment to let you know that it is turned on. At that point, if I tap the Saber and give it some action, it is going to tell you that it is on and ready and has a full charge of power by showing you that bright light. Let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm not sure how well it'll show in the video, but you do have a pretty sharp flicker type of effect here from the main LED. We have a lit red crimson button. We have a blue button. These are the primary colors of DNN, so they match well. And again, I mentioned that there's that LED that internally will change colors as the Saber receives clash type actions. So you can hear there the clash type sounds. And the color change as it switches from red to blue, and then combo to give you kind of a magenta set of colors. At that point, you're able to turn off sound. The Saber's still on. It will still clash and change colors, but the sound at that point is no longer running. You can turn sound right back on again. Notice that the sound is tied into the flicker effect. You're able to power down the Saber and get a power down sound. And don't forget to turn off the kill key to disable everything.